What's up, big baby? You know who it is. It's your girl Chunky Ray, bringing you another crash dummy video. Okay, see, one thing about me is I have always done my own hair colors. I've done wild colors for years now, but I've been real calm for a minute, and it was time for me to pop back out. You feel me? So let me give you a little background. My hair was actually red. I've been red for years now. The red that I was using was a L'Oreal highlight for dark hair, red hot color. I think that's what it was, red hot or something of that nature. After so long, I guess I finally grew out of it, and it was time for me to lift that color. I did not feel me lifting that because it's really relatively easy. I used a product called Color Oops, which I bought at my local Walgreens. The process is simple as can be. Since I'm pretty much bald headed, baby, I just needed one box. If you have longer hair, you might need more than that. All you do is you apply it to your hair and you let it sit for, I believe, 20 minutes. And then you literally wash your hair out. Well, rinse your hair out for 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, and then you shampoo your hair and then rinse it for 5 minutes, and then you shampoo it again and rinse it again. You literally are just rinsing the entire time, and that's the key to removing the color. After that, I used my Salon Care Developer, and I did wait a few days before lightening my hair because when I stripped it, it was kind of an ombre. It was like my roots were black, my middle length was kind of like a sandy brown reddish color, and then my ends were blonde because they had of course been lightened with that L'Oreal highlights for 2 different applications. So yeah, I had to bleach it. It was a little red tint still on there, and you could kind of see that with the oranginess on my ends. But as you can see, I didn't care about toning it since I was about to slap another color over it. If you want to stay bright, you might want to lighten it, or if you're getting a light color like a lavender or a baby pink, you definitely want to tone it, even it out, get it white before you color it. I bought all of my products from Sally's. These look really cute. I really hope they're cute. The swatches were the freaking bomb. I'm not sure if these are sold elsewhere, but check out your local Sally's. I have a rat tail comb for parting. I have my big wide tooth comb for detangling. And then I have some brushes for the different colors. You can just use one brush. You just have to rinse it out after each color. I'm lazy, so we're going to use all of the brushes that I had, okay? Listen, you don't do her for real if you ain't got no chewed up bottom on your comb or your brushes, okay? Or maybe that's just me being ratchet. I have my Shimmer Light shampoo. Not sure if I'm going to actually use that. And I'm using the Salon Care 40 Volume Developer for depositing the color. This is Albaline. It's a moisturizing cleanser. This is the bomb. I use this just to, keep from getting stained up. You should cop this for real. I have a pair of gloves because no glove, no love, even though I've done stuff without gloves on here on my channel. And I got some styrofoam bowls because I'm real ghetto and I cannot find my actual bowls for color. So we just gonna keep it hood. We gonna keep it hood, okay? Don't tell nobody. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and pre-section my hair so that it's easier for me to apply the other colors and I'm not fighting trying to part it when it's time. Since I'm doing like 3 colors, I want to have this fuchsia on 2 different sides of this sectioned area, and I want the middle to have that sapphire blue color. So I'm just gonna section my hair, get it ready, and we gonna jump right in. But before we put that color on, we need to apply this Albaline. And what this is just a cleanser. It's like the consistency of Vaseline, which you could also use in place of this. What I do with this is just put this on my skin, surrounding my scalp, so that if I get dye on my skin, it won't stain me, because I've done that a zillion times. This works really good. It just wipes right off, washes off in the shower whenever you rinse your hair. I'm gonna use this whole thing of Flamingo since this is gonna be my main color. I kind of want to add a little rose in this just to lighten it a little bit. I haven't really mixed colors too often, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not measure the developer that I add to my colors. I really like play it by ear. You definitely always want to start with less, because less is more. If you do too much, you're gonna ruin it, especially if you've already put all of the color in there like I did for my first color. So start with a small amount and you just pour more until you get the consistency that you want, and you want it to be kind of thick to the point where it's not just falling off the brush, but you don't want it watery. Like, you absolutely don't want it to just be complete water to where it's not staying on the brush at all. So yes, this consistency looks fire. And so typically you're going to part your hair in sections to easily apply it and make sure you apply it evenly. But guess what? You know, I don't follow rules and I'm bald headed, so I'm just slapping this on areas that's kind of big. I'll make a part and go in and, you know, move the color around, make sure I'm covering every space. Boy, if you know who Brad is, baby, comment Brad below. Tag Brad. I would love for Brad to come roast me, because that's my bae, okay? Brad, come roast the color, because I know you are not feeling this, but I know you probably like this pop and vibrancy, baby. I already know. I know, because I'm feeling the same way. But yeah, I'm slapping it on, going with the flow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add that fuchsia color. And I always get thrown off when bright colors are like clear or translucent when they first come out. I'm like, okay, what if this is not gonna be what I want it to be? Like, I would love to see what it looks like ahead of time, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. Like, usually they come out just as they look, but yeah, it definitely throws you off at first. So don't be alarmed if you pour some blue out and it's white. You feel me? Lastly, I'm gonna put some of this sapphire in. I've already come so far, y'all, but I really wish I would have made this section smaller. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm starting to feel like, ooh, this is gonna be a big section of bluish purple or whatever, but YOLO, it's too late, because I don't want to put any other layers of color in it. So we just got to do what it do. I don't want to change what I've already started. Look at the colors, y'all. It's so rich and beautiful. I know that this is gonna be great. I'm already getting steampunk. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You hear me? So you throw this little bag on your head and you let that thing process. I processed my color only for like 35 minutes. Some people will let it sit for like 50 minutes, but I didn't think it was necessary because I use 40 developer, which let me say is not required. You could have got this color with like a 10 developer because your hair was already lightened, you know, but that's all I had. Fresh towel dried hair. Okay, look, I look like a bubblegum ball, baby. Ooh, I'm so cute. This is gonna be great. It's looking real Jerry curly right now, but this is a cute color. Oh my gosh, I'm ready to wear afros and everything. Like, this is so cute. Oh, and let me let y'all know, I showed y'all that shampoo or whatever, but I didn't even use that shampoo. I did not use the shampoo because I didn't want to dry out my hair more, and I know that Shimmer Light dupe shampoo dries out my hair, so I just used I think it's like a carrot cholesterol cream, and it's like deep conditioning, and it made my hair feel really good. And I let that sit on my hair for, I want to say 10 to 15 minutes. Y'all, the color is so rich. I'm so satisfied with the way that the color came out, for real, for real. What I'm putting in my hair to style it is just some leave-in conditioner. I can't remember what the brand is. I'm so sorry, y'all, because I'm recording the voiceover way later. But I'm also using this Miel, is that how you say it? This stuff is really good for making your curls pop, but listen, I can only use like a dime size amount of this because it's just so sticky and it leaves such a residue. It's a little too much for me. It's a little too much for my hair, but overall it smells wonderful and the curls do be popping. They might even pop too hard. I might try something different because it kind of makes my curls a little tighter than I like. But this is all I had at the house right now, so we had to make it do what it do. But y'all, let me know what you think. I hope I've inspired that person that's wanting to do a nut color to go ahead and do that nut ass color. Go do it, baby. Do it. Who's stopping you? Go ahead. Get it popping, okay? Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Do I look like a piece of chewed gum? What do I look like? Like, am I giving you unicorn vibes? What am I giving? Let me know. I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed the outcome. I really like the outcome. I'm really fooling with it. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. I'm gonna be coming back with something new soon, dropping videos every week, okay? It's chunky, right? It's a done. I'm out.
Alright, I'm a fuck with you.
Alright, bro.